So this is spaghetti pasta with lobster balls and mussels. So first, let's cook the pasta, then drain the water once it's cooked. And this is the cooked mussels. Remove the shells. And then save the broth for later. And this is the lobster balls. Let's saute the onions until golden brown. And then let's add the lobster balls. Then let's add the mussels broth. Add minced garlic. Season with shrimp paste, crispy anchovy chili, and crispy prawn chili. You can say a teaspoon each. So let's add fish sauce. You can use salt if you don't like fish sauce. And then chicken powder. Let's cover and let it boil for at least 2 minutes. Then time to add the pasta. Let's stir. You don't have to cook too long because it's already cooked. The pasta is already cooked. Now let's add the mussels. Then let's add some spinach and parsley. I love greens, so I always add some greens in anything that I cook. So this is a very easy recipe, easy to prepare, delicious and tasty. Yes, let's drizzle some lime or lemon. Then it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching, guys.